I'm Beth, this is Jessie, and we are Two Sisters Accounting. Today we're thinking about your setup thoughts you need to have. So if you're starting a new business, the kind of key questions you need to be asking yourself, things you need to be thinking about to make sure you're all set up, you're doing all the right things, and you are on the right track. So first up is, do you want to trade as a sole trader, or do you want to register as a limited company and trade through there? There's a lot of things that you might want to consider for this. There's tax benefits as a limited company, but only after you're earning sort of a certain amount of money. It's a lot easier, there's less admin as a sole trader. There's a whole range of things, and there's a lot that comes into play, so it's worth doing some research, reading about it. We have blogs on it. And if whatever you choose, make sure you register with the right people. Second up is bank accounts. As a sole trader, we would always recommend you have a separate bank account for all your business things. As a limited company, you have to have a separate bank account. It's one of the rules. So make sure you think about your bank accounts and you get your business one set up. It doesn't have to cost you loads of money, so it's worth doing a little bit of research there. The third point is VAT registration. The VAT registration threshold is £85,000. So as soon as you are turning over, making sales or invoicing more than £85,000, you need to register for VAT. Unfortunately, there's no getting away from it. If you're earning less than that, you might want to register for VAT. Like if you're trading a lot with businesses that are VAT registered, it doesn't make a lot of difference to them, and then you can reclaim your expenses. However, there's the admin of doing it. You've got to keep your bookkeeping up to date, so it may not be for you, but worth considering. Something to think about. The fourth point is, make sure you've got all your insurances you need. Make sure you're registered with the ICO for data protection if you're handling clients' data. Make sure you are GDPR compliant. Make sure if you've got a website, you've got your privacy policy and stuff on there. This is not accounting stuff. This is just stuff to make sure we've covered your bottom. So worth thinking about all of this. We can't help you with insurance. We just want to make sure you've got it. Yes. Next thing is how you're going to do your bookkeeping and keep your records. If you're not doing massive volumes of transactions, you may just want to do it on an Excel spreadsheet. If you're VAT registered, you'll need to be on an HMRC approved software such as Xero or QuickBooks. Xero. we are fans of Xero, but also we do quite like QuickBooks. So yeah, you want to think about how you want to keep track of everything. If you're using like a software, you can link your banks to it. It makes it all much easier, much more automated. And you can then attach all your receipts in, and then you don't need to worry about whether you kept everything in the right file, because it's just online, lovingly ready for you. And finally, the final point is find an accountant you like working with, that you feel comfortable with and that you can ask questions to. I mean, personally, I'd probably recommend us. We are pretty good. I mean, yeah, I'd go for us, but we might not be your bag. So find an accountant as early as you can that you are happy working with, that you can ask questions, because it's much easier to ask a question during the year than getting to the end of the year and going, oh, yes, oops. So that was just a few thoughts to be asking yourself when you're setting up, just some of the key ones to kind of get that little brain whirring. Any questions, pop them below. Thank you. Bye.